Hello everyone! Are you considering a career in software engineering, but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. These days, software engineering and coding is everywhere. So, a lot of people are joining this field. However, knowing if this field is right for you or not is particularly important. By knowing what this profession is, you will be able to make more informed decision today. On Code with UK, we'll talk about what software engineering is, what it's not, and how you can get started in this exciting field. Let's dive right in. First of all, what is software engineering? A lot of people have the misconception that software engineering and coding are the same, but it's not. While the coding is writing some instructions that computers can understand, software engineering is all about from the start till the end of building, creating, deploying, and supporting software applications on production. So, software engineering is all about creating, designing, and maintaining software systems. It's a field where creativity meets logic, and it powers every aspect of our lives, from the apps on your phone to the systems running entire businesses. It's about solving real-world problems using technology. So, for all those thinking of joining software engineering by thinking that coding is software engineering, you are wrong. Software systems are one of the most complicated systems designed and built by engineers. And it's not just about coding. In the daily life of a software engineer, an average engineer spends almost 30% to 40% of their time attending meetings, requirements gatherings, doing documentations or other non-coding stuff, while the remaining time is spent on coding. In my opinion, this era is of software, from finance to automation and artificial intelligence. However, this does not mean you should opt for software engineering by making an uninformed decision. So, we are now going to see what not to expect in software engineering. Number one, it's not just about coding all day. Yes, coding is an important part of it, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Software engineers spend time designing solutions, collaborating with teams, and understanding the needs of the users they're building for. Number two, it's not all about math. Let's bust this myth right now. You don't need to be a math wizard to succeed in software engineering. Sure, fields like AI or data science require math, but most roles focus on logical thinking, algorithms, and problem solving. Number three, it's not a quick way to get rich. Yes, it can be a lucrative career, but it's not a magic ticket to overnight success. Like any profession, it takes years of hard work, learning, and growth to reach the top. Number four, it's not just about building the next big app. Not everyone in software engineering creates the next Instagram or TikTok. Most of us work on tools, improve existing systems, or solve specific problems for businesses. Number five, it's not only for tech geniuses. Anyone with curiosity and the willingness to learn can become a software engineer. Don't think you need to have a natural talent for it. Determination is what counts. Number six, it's not a solitary job. The image of a lone coder in a dark room? Yeah, forget that. Software engineering is highly collaborative. You'll work in teams, brainstorm ideas, and interact with different departments. Number seven, it's not static, it's ever-evolving. This is not a learn it once and you're done career. Technology changes constantly, and as a software engineer, you'll need to keep learning and adapting throughout your career. Software engineering opens up so many possibilities. You can work in different industries, have the flexibility to work remotely, and build solutions that make an impact on the world. Plus, it's an in-demand career with opportunities worldwide. So, now what is my advice to those who are going to opt software engineering as their career? Here are my 50 cents to all aspiring software engineers. First, invest in your tech. A decent laptop and speedy internet is not luxury. It's needed from the beginning. Build a portfolio of projects, no matter how small they seem. Join communities, attend hackathons, and connect with other learners. Lastly, be consistent. Practice regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Programming can be intimidating at first, but keep going. That's how you learn. Software engineering is an incredible journey, and I hope this video has given you some clarity on what to expect and how to get started. If you're ready to take the leap, remember, anyone can do it with the right mindset and dedication. Thanks for watching Code with UK. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you found the